Today, we're smoking a duck. What you think about that?
That's ridiculous.
Today, we're gonna do some duck. This is John. He's gonna show you how it's done. Go for it.
Cool. Okay, you get it done from the store. You're gonna have neck skin that you gotta cut off. Excuse me. And you're gonna want to take the inside of this fat off here. Okay, you don't want that. You don't need it. Okay, so let's do it. Don't go too close to the breast, or else when it cooks, it'll shrink up and won't covering the breast anymore.
Can you do anything with this skin?
This stuff, maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of like weird veins in there because it's neck.
Oh.
But you could try and render it and get some duck fat out of it. Who knows?
Duck fat.
Yeah, duck fat's sick. Look at that tush. You see that tush right there? Look at that. This guy likes to suck on it before we cook it. So, yeah. Depending on how many ducks you have, you could save these up. And when you get 300 of them, you can make duck stock.
300. Very nice. Okay.
Okay, we're going to tie this so that we can get the breast plump. So when it's tighter, it'll cook more evenly. It'll be like that when it's tied up.
Nice.
Okay, so salt. We're going to season the inside of the cavity because we want some of that salt to hopefully go through the skin and whatever the hell tissue to get to the bones and the breast and leg. So we're going to start with some garlic powder. I'm not going to give you amounts, you can just check it out.
It's garlic.
Garlic. Chili powder.
Apparently your daughter wants some too.
Cinnamon. You want cinnamon? And this is a multi-pepper blend, pink, white, or black. Just because it's cool looking. You could do black, but...
Visual elements.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's okay. Cool. Taste everything you make. It tastes good. Okay. Yeah, I get garlic powder. I get chili, and then I get the cinnamon right in the background. That's where you want it, in the background, not in the front. So anyway, this is honey. 11 Madison Park, Michelin-star restaurant. They do this. They rub their ducks with honey. They also do a million other things that we're not doing, but that's why they're a Michelin star. We're not.
We're local.
We're local. Salting. You want to do nice even salt. Season from up high, not down low. Spreads easier.
Thanks for the tip.
Don't neglect El Baco, just for good measures when you eat the skin later. It's gonna be crispy and salty. No more. I like to salt things heavily, because if you don't, you're gonna suck.
Tastes like booty.
Okay, so now we just, same thing. Here's the rub. Nice, even sprinkling. Oh, you can do the back too, I guess. Why not, right? Gonna do it, right? Look at this. This duck is loving it right now. I'm like, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. You know what? I forgot to. I like to salt the top in here, because the top of the breast, where it's the thickest, you want to get salt in there too. Sometimes I even do a little under the skin, but I can't really get under there right now, so it's okay. Okay. Yeah, chica.
I love the background noise.
That's it. I think that's all we wrote. We're going to keep it super simple.
Alright, so we're gonna throw in some chips right now. We got some pecans, been soaking. Get a couple handfuls to get it going. And now it's time to throw the duck on. Alright, smoker's ready to go. Chips are in there. Here goes the bird. That's a beautiful sight.
Not a beautiful sound.
And a beautiful sound.
Smoke plume 101. Yeah, looks sick, huh? So he put some gizzards on. What are these? This is the heart right here?
It's a little hard.
Like livers, right?
Yeah, livers, hearts. Look at this kidney. All these good little things.
Duck.
This is done right here. Nice. See, it's got a little more time. But it's looking super. I don't know what they are. They've kind of shrunken to where I can't tell what they are.
That may or may not be a heart.
Yeah, I can't tell if that's a heart.
Or it's a something else.
Yeah, I can't tell what they are.
Oh no, this is the heart. This is the heart. Okay.
I don't know. We're just gonna slice them and dry them.
They gonna be good. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's like a really dry piece of liver.
It is. Oh, this is a heart because I see the valves.
Yeah, oh my god. Look at the valves. Valves. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's really good, right?
Yeah, I like that one the best.
This sucker made beef heart one time. I don't know what the hell he marinated in, but beef heart seriously tasted like texture of filet, but beefier.
Got a little cold out. Everyone abandoned me. But, it's alright. The duck's gonna be good. It got so cold out. Yep. It's pretty cold. It's been cooking now about 5 hours. It's ready to go. It's a good looking duck. So, it's a little after, yeah, a little after 10. The bird has finally done resting. And, yeah, just check it out, see what we got. Not a bad piece of meat. Nice and juicy. Cooked real good. A little smokiness. Yeah, there you go. A little skin on there. Ooh, that honey. And the spice. Ooh, and a little cinnamon on the back, like John said there would be. It's actually really good. So, if you liked the video, if you liked the duck, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Till next time.